Right, chap, what can I get you?
Beer, please.
What type?
Unbranded.
Is this alright?
Oh dear.
So, what are you down there for?
You know, I'm just on holiday, really.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I wish I was on holiday. Because I'm working all the time. So, where are you from then?
Oh, you know from like the south of England, right? Dorset.
Shh. I can tell what you're thinking.
Oh. I don't think you can, though.
Yeah, I can. I'm a magician.
Prove it.
Okay, I will. You're thinking of... an apple?
No.
But you are now.
Well, yeah, that's my point.
Yeah, I proved my point.
You didn't, though.
Fine. I'll prove it even more then. Some tape?
Not quite.
Okay. We'll try again then. Some chalk?
Not really, no.
Okay. One more try. My hopes and dreams?
There's nothing there.
Exactly. A member of Panic Button? Your keys, phone and wallet?
How the fuck did you get those?
A leaf? A me? Hello? The cure for cancer?
No.
Oh.
Could have been used for that.
Yeah. Skateboard? Condom for safe sex? PS4 controller? 2 PS4 controllers? A dog? A hammer for knocking twats out? How about a box of unbranded beer? Another member of Panic Button?
No. Oh, mate, it's alright.
It's not gonna be alright. I'm not a magician. I'm not a good magician.
You are a good magician.
No, I'm not. I
You
couldn't
don't-
even get some fucking what's on your mind.
You're just having an off day, that's all.
Every day's an off day.
I know, mate.
Do you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all.
You're right.
Because you know what? We've learned a valuable lesson today.
We have.
Right? I've met you with your shitty pink t-shirt. You're a tourist. I've never met you before in my life, and you're already my mate. I consider you my mate. Don't worry. I consider you my mate. And we just need to know that we're going to be friends for a very long time.
Of course.
Because I feel like I've connected with you. You've taught... Was it a tank card?
No!
Oh, fuck!
They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas.